keep your knives really sharp like this one, you should be able to cut this strawberry into really fine pieces, even if it's ripe. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna do like 20 slices out of one strawberry here, roughly. Pretty nice. So you can go a little faster too once you get the method down, what you're looking for. Just like that. Sharp knives are essential, people. Learn more right there. Check it out. Those are some nice thin strawberries right there. Really pretty. It just adds to the effect of the food and the garnish, and as you know, people eat with their eyes. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe.